Hello students, in this video we will do third and fourth question of exercise 7.4. What is given in question number third? Find the center of a circle. We have to find coordinates of center of circle, and circle passes through point 6, minus 6, 3, minus 7 and 3, 3. Given circle is passing through 3 points whose coordinates are 6, minus 6, let it is point A, 3 minus 7, let it is point B, 3, 3, let it is point C. Then we have to find center of the circle. How? Let it is the given circle and its center is O. Let it is point A, 3 minus 7, B, 6 minus 6, C, 3, 3. We are drawing a rough diagram. Then when we are joining these OA, OB and OC, we can see that OA, OB, OC are the radii of same circle, and these radii OA is equal to OB and it will equal to OC. Why? Radii of circle. This condition is given and we have to find coordinates of O. Let coordinates of O are x and y. We will consider these coordinates. How we will do? Let circle COR, center having center O, radius R, and coordinates where O, x, y is center of circle which passes through, means circle passes through A, B and C. जो सर्कल है वो 3 पॉइंट्स A, B, C में से पास आउट होता है. एंड व्हाट इज गिवन? दीज रेडियस आर गिवन. नाउ वी विल यूज दिस कंसेप्ट. वी विल टेक एनी ऑफ दीज रेडियाई. OA is equal to OB, then OA square will equal to OB square. Suppose two numbers are equal, x and y are equal, then their square will also equal. X square is equal to y square. That's why we can say that OA square will equal to OB square. Then how we will find these OA and OB? Two coordinates are given and we have to find this distance. So for this we will use distance formula. And what is distance formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We will use this formula. So, and if we are doing it square, on doing it square, what we will get? Square root cancel out. We will get x square minus x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So we can write directly this line. So from here OA square means x minus 3 whole square plus y minus, what are the coordinates? This is point A. 3 minus 7 is given. This is point B and this is point C. Then what will be OA? X minus 6 plus y plus 6 whole square will equal to OB square, means x minus 3 square plus y minus plus 7 whole square. Then x square minus 12x plus 36 plus y square plus 12y plus 36, and it is equal to x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square plus 14y plus 49. what we will do? Cancelling x square, y square, y square. What is left here? Minus 12x minus 6x, it will become plus 6x plus 12y. This 14y will become minus 14y. 36 plus 72. And from here what is left? 9 and plus 49. What will we get? 58. Now on solving these we will get minus 6x minus 2y, 58 minus 72. Minus 6x minus 2y minus 12 minus 8, 4. 6 minus 5, 1. We can take minus 2 as common, then what we will get? 3x plus y is equal to 7. This is our equation number first. Now we can take OA and OC, or OB is equal to OC, then we can get another equation. So after getting second equation, we can solve these equations for x and y. What we can write here? OA is equal to OC. So OA square will equal to OC square, and it will equal to x minus 6 whole square plus y plus 6 whole square, and it is equal to x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. And from here x square minus 12x plus 36 plus y square plus 12y plus 36, and it is equal to x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 6y plus 9. X square cancel out, y square cancel out. What is left? Minus 12x plus 12y plus 72. This minus 6x will become plus 6x, minus 6y will become plus 6y is equal to 18. Now minus 12x plus 6x minus 6x plus 12y plus 6y plus 18y. From here 18 minus 72. What will get? Minus 12 minus 8, 4. 6 minus 1, 5. Minus 6x plus 18y. Now what we will do? We can take minus 6 as common. What will left? X minus 3y is equal to 9. It is equation number second. Now we will solve these two equations, first and second. What we will do? From equation first and second, what is our equation number 1? 3x plus y is equal to 7. X minus 3y is equal to 9. Now we can use any of method of third chapter, elimination method, substitution method. Suppose I am using elimination method, then multiplying it by 1 and multiplying it by 3. What will we get? 3x plus y is equal to 7. 3x minus 9y is equal to 27. Now on subtracting, minus plus minus, 10y is equal to minus 20. Y is equal to minus 20 divided by 10. Y is equal to minus 2. Now putting the value of y in equation, we can put in first or in second. Suppose I am putting in first, then 3x plus y is equal to 7. What is the value of y? Minus 2, and it is equal to 7. 3x, 7 plus 2, 3x is equal to 9, x is equal to 3. So what are the coordinates of center? So coordinates of O are 3 and minus 2, and this is our answer. So using distance formula we can compare these radii, and after comparing two radii we can make these equations in x and y variables, means in two variables. Then by using elimination method or substitution method we can find the value of x and y. So here values of x and y are 3 and -2, and these are the coordinates of the center of the circle. This is our question number 3rd of exercise 7.4. Now question number 4 of exercise 7.4. What is given in question number 4? That two opposite vertices, opposite means आमने सामने के, of a square are given, means आपको एक square given है और उसके दो vertices आपको given है. Let this is given square, that it is A, B, C and D, and two opposite vertices means let A is 1, 2, C is 3, 2. These two are given. Now we have to find vertices of B and vertices of D. How we will find? Let first of all let A, B, C, D is given square where A -1, 2 and C 3, 2. Let coordinates of B are x, y. Then we will use properties of square here. As we know, all sides of a square are equal because sides of a square are equal. So we can say that AB is equal to BC. We can compare AB with BC. Now if AB is equal to BC, then AB square will equal to BC square, as we have done in previous question. So AB will equal to, how we will find AB square? Using distance formula, x minus -1 plus y minus 2 whole square. BC x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. From here it is this x plus 1 square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. So now x square plus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 4y plus 4. What we have done here? We are using identities. X square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 4y plus 4. Which identities we have used here? A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and a minus b whole square, and it is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So on comparing, x square cancel out, y square cancel out, minus 4y cancel out, 4 cancel out. Simply we can say that this bracket will cancel by this bracket. So what is left here? 2x. This minus 6x will become plus 6x. 9. This plus 1 will become minus 1. 8x is equal to 8. X is equal to 8 divided by 8. X is equal to 1. So from here we are getting the value of x. Now we want to find the value of y. How we can find? We will use another relation. As we know that each angle of square is of 90 degree, कि स्क्वायर का हर एक एंगल 90 डिग्री का होता है. एंड व्हेन वी आर ज्वाइनिंग दीज, ऑन ज्वाइनिंग A to C, we are getting a right angled triangle. So what we will use? We will use Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square will equal to AB square plus BC square. What is AC square? 3 minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 2 whole square, and AB square is x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square, and BC square is x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. Now we will solve this equation. 3 plus 1 4 square plus 0. From here x square plus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 4y plus 4 plus x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 4y plus 4. Again I have used these identities. 4 square is 16 and it is equal to x square, 2x square, 2x minus 6x minus 4x, y square plus 2y square minus 4y minus 4y minus 8y plus 1 plus 4, 5 plus 9 14, 14 plus 4 18. Now what is the value of x? Value of x is 1. We will put this value here. 16 is equal to 2 into 1 square minus 4 into 1 plus 2y square minus 8y plus 18. So now on solving, what we will get? From here 16 is equal to 2 minus 4 plus 2y square minus 8y plus 18. So now from here what we will get? 2y square minus 8y 16. From here minus 2 plus 18 we will get 16, and this 16 will come is this side and it will become minus 16. I am repeating it. On solving it, what will get? Minus 2 plus 2y square minus 8y plus 18. 16 is equal to 2y square minus 8y plus 18 minus 2 plus 16. 16 cancel out. What we will get? 2y square minus 8y is equal to 0. Taking 2y common, what will left inside? Y minus 4 is equal to 0. From here 2y is equal to 0 means y is equal to 0 by 2 means y is equal to 0. Y minus 4 is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. We are getting two values here. So for x is equal to 1, we are getting two values. So coordinates, what will be the value of opposite coordinates? So coordinates of B are, what is the value of x? 1 and 0. Coordinates of D will be 1 and 4. How? If you will take these, then answer will be same as AD is equal to DC. Then you will get these value. These are the coordinates of B and D.